Hello, so I wanted to do a quick video on everything that I've made in October and also what I'm currently working on. So there's not that many that I made this month, but it's still a good chunk. So I'm going to try them on for you and tag the patterns below in my description if you would like to make one yourself, then perfecto. This is the first piece. I absolutely love it. It took me ages to finish it though, and it's a little bit baggy here because I stuck it in the washer then dry instead of hand washing it, I guess, but it still fits really nice and it is one of my favorite pieces that I've made this month. It is the Lost One shoulder and I made it in 100% cotton. I probably should have done a size down, but either way, I do wear it a lot and it is very comfortable. Second is this piece, the pineapple crop top, and I absolutely love it. This is my own pattern that I released this month. And it's backless and just gorgeous. And I also made this in a dress. And the pattern comes out next month. I'm currently still working on it. So this is the dress version. The top is different in the pattern. I'm gonna have either a triangle top option or the rectangle top. It is a really nice fitted dress. I do want to make this one longer. I think it will just suit my shape a lot more, and put some elastic here so it's not as droopy as I want it to be. Like, it's just right above my butt crack, which I don't want necessarily, but it is very flattering and I love the shape and pattern. As I was making this, I totally forgot about the two other ones that I made, my favorite pieces. So I'm just gonna add the photos here. These are honestly like my actual, I enjoyed making these so much, and the green one I'll be making in other colors, and the black one, the creator, I don't know her name, but she has like the prettiest patterns and I can't wait to make them all. Like, I think I'm gonna do a series, a YouTube series where I just make all of her patterns and show you guys, because they're gorgeous. Since when does gorgeous have a T in it? Right, anyway, those are the two. Keep going. Okay, then there's this one. This is my second sample, so it's a bit off, but yeah, I love it. It's comfortable and perfect for the beach. I think I'm gonna make matching bikini bottoms for this, and it's made with 100% cotton and it's made to measure. This isn't like the best sample that I'm showing you, but here's another picture just to show you what it really looks like when it's perfectly done. But this is my one that I made this month. I think I will undo these straps and make them tighter so I can actually wear this, which is probably why I haven't finished it off yet, but another cute one. Second to last is this little set that I made. I do have to redo the shorts because I'm not a big fan of how tight they are on my bum. So I'm going to redo it and hopefully it will look better and less squish, if you know what I mean. It's not flattering on me. The front's perfect. I love the front so much. It's probably my favorite two-piece. I do also need to add some elastic on the bottom and maybe the top just to hold it in place. But yeah, I'm hoping I can turn this into a pattern very soon once I've got the shorts perfectly done. I think they're inside out right now. I don't know. But anyway, cute. Last but not least, this teeny bikini, by the way. This is not my pattern, this is somebody else's pattern that I'll link in the description if you like it. I think my yarn was too thin or my needles were too small. Not sure. And I also made matching bottoms. This is my pattern. I'll show you with my shorts on. Do you see it coming together? It's pretty cute, and it's a cheeky bum. I think it's twisted. There we go. Perfect for if you want a tan, I would say. Maybe not jumping around and doing active things, just laying down. Otherwise these little babies will slip out. Anyway, that's everything. I hope you have enjoyed everything that I've made. I am currently working on a couple things which I'll show you. One being this tester. Oh, still, I look funny. This tester is going to have a keyhole. I'm currently, I need to do like a few more, couple of inches more before I start doing the keyhole split. So I'll probably be working on that later tonight. I'm working on a bikini for my friend. This is my pattern. I've done one cup, and I'm also going to be doing the same one in blue for myself. I do want to start selling these the physical bikinis, so I think I'm just gonna make as many as I can with designs, like unique designs, and then have them on my website. So if you do want a bikini or want to make yourself a bikini, I will have the pattern and I will do custom orders. Thank you. Wow, I'm out of breath. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment, subscribe. It means the world to me that you're able to support me in the way that you do. And I will see you in the next one.